Hey there, Greg Marchand here. You want to keep up with the latest automotive industry trends? It takes work. I hate to say it. Take an hour a day, subscribe to online publications, subscribe to written publications, and attend as many seminars as you can, both virtual and in person. That's the number one thing you can do. Spend an hour a day paying attention to all those media resources that will give you an idea of where things are going. Don't just pick your favorites. Listen to the people that you don't like as well, because just because you don't like their opinion doesn't mean they're not right. And just because you have a favorite out there doesn't mean they're always right. All right? So go get material from everywhere, every little corner of the industry you can. Talk to each other about what you're seeing and dedicate that hour a day. That's how you're going to stay up on it. Keep up the great work, hit that subscribe button, and never, ever, ever stop learning.